Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, so I am so excited about this piece. Well, it's actually not a piece, it's a tutorial pack. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been posting much on Facebook, is because I've been really working on this, trying to get it out. And two, I didn't realize how much fun I was going to end up having writing the tutorial packs. This is the actually the third or fourth one that I've done, and I haven't really promoted my other tutorial packs, and that's because those are part of a multi, like part 1, part 2, part 3. This in itself is all by itself. I love the way this one came out. It's got 15 pages of color photos, step-by-step processes, and kind of just walking you through everything. Very detailed, and also I have tips and drawings and everything else that I use in order to create my pieces. It's all, like I said, it's all color photos. They come in a nice little sleeve, and these are the exact same tips and tricks that I use. I don't do anything different when I create pieces like this. All right, when I create pieces like this, I'm using the exact same methods as I do with the oak leaf, any other leaf, the tropical fish one that I'm going to be creating, or any of that. I don't use any different techniques. There's nothing that I'm hiding. So everything that I use and do to create my carvings are all found here in this. So I hope you guys I would love to hear your thoughts. I don't know if I can post this on other networks, but I am posting this on my page, and I'm going to find out if I'm able to post this and out onto the like Gourd Societies and all these other places. Hopefully I can, and if not, then you'll be able to reach out to me, and if you guys are interested. All right, I greatly appreciate you guys' time, and for all of those who are still following my work, reaching out and sending me questions, I greatly appreciate that. Continue doing it, and thank you very much. You guys have a great day.